Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So I am sitting in the Cadillac CT4-V, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to use the infotainment system on this CT4-V. But before we move forward, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscription button, and also make sure to press that bell icon and leave all the notifications on, so that way you will never miss any video updates from my channel. So on this Cadillac CT4-V you would find an 8-inch colorful touchscreen display, and this is like your main screen out here, and this screen is controlled using these dials also. So this is like the home button, so you can switch to your menus and the main widgets out here. This is like your volume dial, and you can switch off also, and this is like a toggle dial, so you can go to the menus using this. There is also more options at the bottom like this one, so you can use this dial, and this is like your volume knob, and also these are the buttons for your navigation, your media, the back and the phone. But yeah, because this screen is quite near, so you are most likely going to be using these buttons only. So when we start with the main menu out here, so you get on the left side you would find the controls for your climate, your media and the phone. So you can click also and go inside these buttons, and yeah, you can go to the temperature also, and then you can go to the media also, and from here you can go into the navigation system as well, and then you can type your address and everything. So yeah, there are multiple ways you can go into this navigation system. So once we swipe to the left side, then you come to your audio option, in which you will find your FM, your Bluetooth, your USB, and also different options. So right now my phone is connected with the Bluetooth, so it's showing me that, and this is like your main screen. And then once you go back, you can go to the phone options, and it will show you your keypad, your recent calls, your contacts, and the phone options which you want to connect to. Then the next option is the navigation. So from here also you can go into the navigation system and type in the address. Let's say you want to see the fuel, so yeah, the EPCO, and then it will show you all out here. It even shows you the radars, so if they are coming up, it will sort of show you a warning out here, and it will tell you that the radar is somewhere nearby. And the next option is the user. You can create your profiles and save all the settings out here, so every single time you get into the car, you can save get those settings directly. Then the next option is the settings. Now this is more detailed option, in which you can change your sound, and then you can change your voice. So all the options are given out here. So from every single audio feedback you can change from here. Then the favorites option, you can change that also from here. Then more options like your updates about this car, the software updates, then about the running application, and if you want to return to the factory settings, then there is also the display option. Then you want to calibrate the touch screen, and then the mode is where the car would decide when it's night or day, and then accordingly it would change the brightness of the screen. So that is also there, and then you can turn off the screen from here. Then there is the privacy option, in which you can change the location, the voice recognition, the applications that use this infotainment screen. Then the phone option, in which you can remove all the different phones that are connected using the Bluetooth or the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay. Then the language you can change from here, the time and date that you can change. And the next option is the app, in which you can change the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay if you want it switched on or off. So every single time when you connect the phone, it wouldn't always go into the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay. Then the audio settings, in which you can change every single thing from your Bose music system settings, and then the RDS, and then you can reset everything. Then there is the climate option, in which you can set the auto cooled seats, auto heated seats. So every single time you start the air conditioning controls, it would switch on the air conditioning and the heated and the cooling seats also together. So the auto defog, the auto rear defog, the ionizer, all of that is on currently, that you can see. The next option is the navigation. You can change all the preferences for your navigation system out here, delete the history, your map preferences, your route preferences, the navigation control, volume, voice, every single thing. And then there is the phone option, in which you can see like your calls and the contacts and all of that. You can change the settings out here, how the phone synchronizes the contacts and everything. Then the next option is your vehicle. In this you would find the controls for your comfort. Actually, this is not the worst. The first option is your rear seat reminder. So if there is anything on the rear seat, the car would remind you when you switch it off. Then the V mode. So this car has few different modes. So one of the mode is the V mode. So you can change all the different settings from here. So you can change the sound of the engine, you can keep it to track, all of that. And then when you go to the My mode, you can change like engine, steering, suspension, and the brake response. Then comes the climate and the air quality, so you can change all of that. Then the collision detection warning, so you can switch on and off all the different safety systems that are given on this CT4-V. Then the next option is the seating position, so the seat memory option, and also when you exit the seat, it would automatically go in the back, and then do all of that. And there is the valet mode. So valet mode would basically reduce all the options on your screen and would just put the car in the basic option. So when you give the car for your valet, you make sure that no one touches all your settings or changes anything. So yeah, you can put like a pin and something to protect it. Then there is the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. When you press that, you will be led into this option, but right now because my phone isn't plugged in, so you can do that also when you plug in using a wire, so you can connect to this Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto. And then there is the climate feature button. So from here also you can change the climate options, or there is other options which are given out here, the physical buttons using which you can change the climate control. But yeah, if you are someone who likes the touchscreen options, then these are the options for you. You can change the temperature on both the sides, which is your dual zone air conditioning system, the flow of air in different directions, the fan speed, the on off button, the AC button, the auto button, the recirculation of air, the synchronize, which is your dual zone air conditioning. You can control that too. So you can access this air conditioning control from here or from here, or there are shortcut buttons given at the bottom. So that is this, you can access quick on the go, you can access the air conditioning control. There is also navigation system you can access, so even the navigation system can be accessed from here or from here as well. So the next option is your phone option and the media option. So yeah, quick options, and the screen is also quite snappy. As you can see, like there is not much lag, or in fact for this size of screen, this is a decent output that you get with no laggy frame rates or anything. You can even go and click on this date directly, and then you can change the date settings and everything. So yeah, you can change the format of the dates and every single thing. So this is pretty much the entire operating system, which is pretty similar on many GM products that you will find, and the latest one basically from the Chevrolet, the GMC, and the Cadillac, and also even Opel for a fact. So yeah, if you know on one car, you will pretty much know on every other car that way. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to use the infotainment system on this Cadillac CT4-V. And if this video was helpful, then make sure to press that like button and leave a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.